Namaste friends, कैसे हो? In the previous video, we started to learn writing. We learned two vowels, a and a, and we learned two consonants, n and m. We also learned that a consonant cannot be pronounced without a vowel, and the sound m contains two parts. One is the consonant part, m, and the vowel part, a. So m plus a makes m. Similarly, this becomes ma. Ma, ma, na, na. And in the end of the video, I gave you two words to write in Devanagari. One was am and other was an. I'm glad that two viewers wrote it correct. First you have to write a and then m. A, m, am. A, n, an, am, an. Today we will learn one more vowel and two more consonants. The third consonant that you are going to learn in Hindi is R. You have to roll your tongue a bit like R. This becomes R, quite similar to the capital R of English. Now, as you already know, if you want to write Ra, you just have to add a vertical stroke. This becomes Ra. Ra, Ra. ठीक है? The next consonant is S. ठीक है? S. S is pronounced same as the English S, and it is written quite similar to the R. This, a horizontal stroke, a vertical line, and then the Shirorekha. Okay, just don't confuse S with A, because this is A and this is S. To write Sa, I'll just add similar vertical stroke. This is Sa. ठीक है? R, Ra, Sa, Sa. We have already learned Na, Na, Ma, Ma. ठीक है? Now let's write the next vowel, which is A. I won't always write it with the accent mark, so even if I write an E, you have to understand that it means the A sound. A. Well, this is the printed form, but in handwriting we don't write it like this because it takes time. So a lot of people write it like this. It makes it easier and fast, and a lot of people write it this way. Doesn't it look like R? So this is the A sound. A sound. Now the next part is how to combine the A sound with a consonant. To combine it with a consonant, you just have to make this kind of line. So these are different types of handwriting. If you want to write Ne, ठीक है? This is Na. Now this becomes Ne. Most of the people write it this way. You can make a straight line like this. Okay, depends on you, your choice. If I want to write may, I'll write ma and may. Similarly, re, ra, re, se, sa, से, ने, में, रे, से. ठीक है. और ए. Now let's have a revision of everything. A, न, म, र, स. आ, ना, मा, रा, सा. ए, ने, में, रे, से. ठीक है. Now we will try to write some words that we have already learned. ठीक है. I hope you guys remember how to say my name in Hindi. याद है? Do you remember? मेरा नाम. ठीक है. मेरा नाम. Now we are gonna write मेरा नाम in Devanagari. ठीक है. To write मेरा, first we need to write me and then ra. Let's look how can we write me. Here is me and this is ra. Now we'll write mera. Me ra. Mera. Na. Na. Ma. नाम. मेरा नाम. मेरा नाम. My name. Easy peasy, isn't it? Now we will write Ram. You must have heard about the name Ram. Ram was the ancient king mentioned in the epic of Ramayana, which is considered a religious text of Hindus. And Lord Rama is worshipped as the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. And also, Ram is a very common Indian name for men. ठीक है. Ra, Ma, Ram. Now let's do some reading practice. Please don't try to find out the meanings of the words apart from what I am telling you. ठीक है. Let's read these words. Am. Am. Am means mango. Mango is called am in Hindi. An. An. Na. Ana. Nam. Nam. Na. Nam. Na. Nana. Remember from the last lesson, Nana means the dad of your mother and Mama means brother of your mother. ठीक है. Mara. Mara. Mera. Mera. Mere. Mere. Sara. Sara. Sare. Sare. ठीक है. Now a few more words. Next words are Sena. Mare. Mare. Sam. Sa, m, sam. Till now were 2-letter words. Now we will see 3-letter words. Now we will see 3-letter words. A, ma, na. Aman. A, ma, ra. Amar. Sa, ma, ra. Summer. All the three are popular Indian name of men. Aman, Amar, Samar. There's a very special word called ananas. Why is it special? Because in almost every language it is the same, except for English and Spanish. Now your task is finding the meaning of ananas and writing it in Hindi, in Devanagari. ठीक है? In the next tutorial, we will meet again with plurals. In the tutorial number 10, we learned how to say mera and meri. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn the plural forms of mera and meri. ठीक है? See you again. फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते. Bye bye. Adios.